Yeah.
Oh, okay. Because I've only seen it.
Yeah,
I suppose the plating's all worn off.
and it's a very dirty environment.
Wow. Yeah, there's that, isn't it? That's true.
I think we're just about ready to go, actually. So, how scary is that? It's what is it? Thursday. It's about then after 7ish, sort of. Dale's got some crownies, see that? Yeah. Right, and we're going to fire this motor. Just in case you guys didn't know, I'm actually recording this on a video, right? So, what we've done is we've got the motor. It's there. You can see that's all in place, and I've turned it over to build up oil pressure and also get it fuel inside the carby. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect up this, which will make it fire, I hope. So, embarrassing as this may be. No matter what goes wrong, I'm going to put this on YouTube unedited. So I'm going to hand this over to someone else. See that? It's a sleight of hand. So.
Sleight of hand.
Yeah, and you can disconnect that. Get onto it. Can't slip anything past this one. And hopefully I've got the timing, the firing order, everything all right, and we should be. So I'm going to go around to the... What we don't want to see is a big cloud of smoke, 007 style, and oil and stuff like slip going out of that. That's what we want to see. So.
Don't forget your alarm.
Yeah.
It's not worked otherwise. It's alive.
It is. It is. I reckon I flooded. It's too much. Too much. I'll just get in here. Yeah. Showing good oil pressure, so it's sitting on about half at the moment. So. Good. It's a bit tappy though. You can hear it. It's a little bit tappy. Exo's tappy suggested. But hey, first fire. No smoke. I'm pretty proud of it, actually. Hey, this was that. Okay, we'll take it back now. So for you, all you chumps, like, get your game on it, right? Get onto it and fix your car, especially you, Simon.